I think they actually liked and had confidence in us that we could actually test the product to the best of the ability and understand how the system works. We've been working with Enphase for the past 8 years, and we've got a really unique opportunity where they invited us to test their latest equipment, the IQ7A, and that's the small microinverter, which is the latest technology from Enphase that actually sits under the panel. The actual microinverter are the brains of the system, if you like, and what it does is make sure that the system is actually working intelligently and producing as much electricity as possible from each panel. So that's where the microinverter really sets the Enphase system apart. And with the latest technology, you can build a panel array, as many panels as you want or as few panels as you want. Here at the test site in Denia, we've got 16 panels, 12 panels on one roof, and we've got 4 panels on another roof. That produces on average about 30 kilowatts a day, and that 30 kilowatts then is used within the house. At the moment, we export the excess to the grid. In time, once the actual batteries become available, any excess that's produced from that system will actually go in and be stored in the batteries for nighttime use. The other real advantage of the Enphase system is if the electricity cuts for whatever reason, at the moment the law stands in the fact that everything has to shut down, but the actual batteries added to the system will allow us to still have a power supply to the property. And that's something that's very unique with the Enphase system. It's a really exciting time to be working in the solar industry in Spain. The changes in laws, the enthusiasm from the government and the increase in interest from customers. We've got so many people who are interested in electricity systems, and with the Enphase product is really revolutionising how we can actually service our customers.